Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my first ever trash to treasure video, and I'm so excited because I love the way these projects turned out. Make sure if you haven't seen my Goodwill shopping haul, that's the video I just posted last week. I'll leave a link for that for you, but that shows you where I got these items and some other stuff that I got that I'm going to be upcycling. And I just had so much fun with this project, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so to get started with the first project, I'm going to use one of these aluminum cookie sheets from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 2 for $1, so it's a great deal. And I like these because they're easy to cut. And I'm going to be just kind of sizing it onto my orange bin here. And I want to be able to put the word thankful in it. So I'm just going to kind of cut that down to size. And then I just took a little bit of my white and black chalk paint, mixed it together just to get kind of a muted gray color. And then I just kind of like to take that shine off of the cookie sheet and just kind of take it down a notch. And then I decided to paint the thankful word here with my black chalk paint. And I'm really glad I did that because I feel like it really pops once it gets on the gray. And I also decided to just kind of distress the cookie sheet part a little bit with that black. Now, if you wanted to tone that down, you do not have to use black. You could use like a darker gray, but I just really love the contrast that it made. Now, I just want to show you too, I thought about using these window clings, and I actually have 2 of the orange buckets here, and they stick, I guess because they're like a metal or whatnot. The window clings actually stick to the bucket and they stay on there. So I just kind of played around with that too, and I might end up doing that with the second bucket that I had. But I just wanted to show you guys, if you ever find some of these metal buckets, always consider using these window clings, because I mean, they've got great designs, and I just love this one that says be thankful, and it's kind of got that glitter background to it. But I mean, it works out really well. So just a thought, if you happen to come across any of these in your travels, you might want to, think about repurposing them that way. Now I am just going to hot glue my thankful word to the cookie sheet, and then I am just going to hot glue the whole thing onto the center of my bucket. Now for the next step, because the bucket was so deep, I really wanted to kind of raise it up a little bit before I put my floral in there. So I just had these floral foam blocks here, and then I decided to use just some regular old grocery bags and just kind of fill it in and stuff it. And you guys, I've said this many times before, I am not good at floral design, so Lord help me, one day maybe I'll learn. But right now I just do the best that I can. So I am just shoving as much stuff in here as I can to kind of fill it and just make it look nice and full. That was my goal. So please don't judge me. So to hang this on my door, I decided to use just this rope I got in the hardware section at the Dollar Tree. I just kind of wrapped it around the handle there and then just around the back. This was just really something, I wasn't real sure how I was going to hang it, so I just kind of had to play with it. But I love how this came out, and it's going to look so beautiful on my door with that green. Now for the next project, I have these 2 bundt pans that were already kind of this orangey color and this mustardy I guess that's mustardy. I'm not sure what color that really is, but they were already distressed. And I decided to also make little door hangers with this. Now you could also do this and like use them just on your table or something and not hang them. But I just thought this was such a cute idea, kind of like a little pumpkin shape. And I just took a bunch of floral I had. All of this, the floral I've used is from the Dollar Tree. And I just kind of cut it and played with it, hot glued it on where I wanted it. For the larger bundt pan, I ended up using some leftover rope that I had, and that's how I hung it. And then for the smaller one, I ended up using some twine. But as you guys can see, this was super easy. If you can find some bundt pans, you can paint them, distress them, but you really can do this any way you want and just really make it your own. So for the last project, I took these two fall themed chargers that I got for $1 a piece at the Goodwill, and I cut out some vinyl with my Cricut. The first one says "Be Thankful," and I did this in kind of a lighter cream color, and that is just 651 vinyl. And then on the other one, it's kind of a burnt orange, and it says "Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice." So here you can see I'm just kind of peeling that backing off. I've already weeded them and put the contact paper on. So now I'm just peeling off the backing, and then with the contact paper, I will go ahead and adhere it to the chargers. Now everything that I did here today, I cleaned up everything beforehand. You do want to make sure, especially if you're going to be using vinyl or something, that you're using a clean surface. So just make sure to clean your Goodwill items. And you can see how easy this goes on, and it's such a pretty charger. I love how both of them turned out. And if you guys do want to see more Cricut related or cutting machine related projects, let me know. But I just simply love how these turned out, and I can't wait to start really decorating for fall. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this first trash to treasure video. I think these projects turned out way better than I expected them to, and my vision for them just turned out so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you have any comments, I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.